Hi everyone, my name is Ben, and in this video we'll be taking a look at what's in the box of the Pioneer TSW3004D4 12-inch Champion Pro subwoofer. Let's check it out. The Pioneer TSW3004D4 Champion Pro Series 12-inch subwoofer comprises of the following components: 8 30mm mounting screws to ensure a firm mount, and 1 roll of cushioning tape. And last but not least, the Pioneer TSW3004D4 12-inch Champion Pro Series subwoofer. This impressive subwoofer really does the Champion subwoofer heritage justice, capable of handling up to a massive 2,400 watt max power or 800 watt nominal. Has our iconic red dual spider design, dual 4-ohm voice coil, dual layer elastic polymer and fibre surround, a massive 115-ounce double-stacked magnet with enclosed basket design, and a long voice coil. All this provides users with a bass response guaranteed to make your friends jealous. And there you have it. That's what's in the box of the Pioneer TSW3004D4 12-inch Champion Pro Series subwoofer. Make sure you visit your nearest authorised Pioneer dealer or our website today for more information.